Welcome to 1120 North Carolina 62 in Climax, North Carolina. This property is sitting on just about an acre's worth of land. You've got this huge front yard. You've got a detached garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's go in and take a look. We have now come inside. Right as you come in the front door, it's immediately to your right is a coat closet right here. And we'll swing around and take a look. It's got a nice open plan. Lots of natural light in this house. Got a ceiling fan with a light here in the living room. Got laminate floors. Nice big window right here. Look around. Okay. Then we have our dining area right here. We've got lots of windows here. Then there's a door that leads out to the backyard. Here's the kitchen. We have got stainless steel appliances. We've got an electric smooth top stove and oven, microwave, dishwasher. Got this cool little peninsula right here. There's some shelving here as well. We've got a beadboard backsplash. Plenty of cabinets. Some more counter space over here. And then back here toward the side door is the laundry area, and we've got extra cabinetry here and a place to hang your clothes for drying. And off the main room, the master bedroom is over here. We've got laminate floors flowing into here as well. This is a good sized room with a ceiling fan with a light. Got a nice bright window on the front, so it provides good natural light. There's another angle. Here is the master closet. Okay. And then right here is the master bath. We've got a single bowl vanity in here, tub shower combo, and a window. Provides good natural light here in the bathroom. And we are now going to cross the back through the living room and check out the other 2 bedrooms. Right here we have got your attic access and a linen closet right here. And bedroom number 2 is located on the front of the house. We've got a nice bright window. As you can see, there's lots of natural light. We got ceiling fan with light here. And swing around, and there's a good sized double door closet over there. Directly across the hall is the bathroom. We've got a single bowl vanity and a tub shower combo in here. And then right next to that is bedroom number 3. It's located on the back of the house. We've got a window right there, provides good natural light. And it is a good sized room with the closet right over there. Okay, we've come out the side door where the laundry room was. And we have a little path right here that leads into the detached garage. It's right here. And then we have quite a big backyard as well. There's a fire pit over there. And it's relatively flat, which is terrific for recreation. And then there's the back of the house. That's the door that is in the dining area. I'll take another look at the backyard. And swing around. And there's the back of the house. Again, this is 1120 North Carolina 62 in Climax, North Carolina.